Welcome everyone to Ricky's Tech Talk. During Apple's Spring Forward events, they announced AirTags, and today we're going to be taking a look at them and setting them up. But I've also ordered 2 key rings from Belkin, one for my partner and one for myself, because these don't have any way of clipping on to your keys or your bag or your pet or any other thing. So I've had to order some key rings. Clever marketing from Apple. They do sell their own, but I've got some third-party ones here from Belkin. So let's begin with a quick unboxing and we'll show you more of these. So let's just move these to the side. So on the front here, as I said, it comes in a 4-pack or an individual pack. So the 4-pack here in the UK is £99 and an individual one is £29, and I'll put the link in the description. And basically all you've got is a little tab down here at the bottom. Pull that. And then we should be able to get in. May need to cut the bottom of the box here. I just had to cut mine. Little tab. So we've got AirTag. Got some product information, which is always handy. And then it opens. So we've seen this with the Apple Watch. So then we've got some information, and you can see the AirTags here. Look great. And an individual one will come same sort of packaging, but just one in here, but shares the same information. Got a bit of information here about widget, about the Find My application over this side. It's easy setup as well. So let's take a look at one. They are very small actually. People did say they're very small. So Apple will allow you to personalize these as well if you want to. So as soon as I pull this out here, it will activate and you can personalize them if you want to. They are end user exchangeable batteries, so you can actually change the batteries in here. Will last over a year, but you can change them. It's made from laser etched polished stainless steel, and I feel this will get scratched quite easily. So I'm just going to bring in my iPhone here, open up my iPhone, and as soon as I pull this tag out here, it's going to activate it. There we go. Made a little noise. I'm going to bring it close to my iPhone, and straight away, this is what I love about Apple and the ecosystem. Yes, it's expensive when you're in it. Yes, it's expensive to get out of it, but things just work so easily. So hit continue, and now it's going to ask you what it is and where it's going to be. Inside here, you've got a range of different options. So the first one is backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet, or custom name. So this is going to be for my keys. You heard it ping. It's come up with a location here and other information, which is great. So that's really good to see here. So I can go to the map here, or I can press skip. And I don't want to show you the map at the moment. I'll find a better option of showing you. So that's how easy it is to set up. I'm going to go through the other one with me. That's going to sit in my tech bag. So that's going to be my tech bag. And the other 2 are going to be for my partner. So a handbag and her keys. But this is what it looks like. It's really quite small, compact design. Very shiny, very nice. But let's learn a little bit more about it. So Apple will allow you to personalize your AirTags with emojis, letters, and numbers if you want to. So you can identify them with family's initials or a favorite number. It's made from a laser etched polished stainless steel. As I said, I think this will scratch very easily though, depending being in a handbag or with your keys. So AirTags are easy to set up, as I've shown you, very easy. Have a built-in accelerometer plus Bluetooth LE, uses the Ultra One ultra wideband chip, which will allow you to find your devices. Or say my partner walks past mine and I can't find mine, it will ping the location to me but don't show her. So that's very clever. Offers water and dust resistant IP67 rating, so that will be okay for 1 meter up to 30 minutes, no problems. Built-in speaker, as you heard, and it will play a sound. So let's check that out now. So in the Find My application, we've got Ricky's keys and I can play sound. So you can locate it this way, which is great. You can play it again if you want to. So notifications, if you want to get notifications, you've got lost mode. So this is where other users will try to find it. We've also got battery percentage inside there as well. And you can find So this will bring up this new smart way now. It's here, it's right here. But if I bring my phone further away, it's saying 1.4 feet away, and I'll show you as well where we go and find it around the house. And as I said, so many YouTubers have lost their keys recently or lost their tech bag. A big note to Marcus Brown there, where his video is great filming, great production there. But that is the Find My option there in the Find My app, and the precision finding. As soon as I start to move away, it will try to locate it, which is great. As I said, that will work with the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 series. It uses NFC tap for lost mode, so that can help as well. So it offers the ability to use Siri here and ask Siri to play the sound or find my keys. So it's showing me there, or I can actually jump into the app as well if I need to, and then begin that precision finding. Again, it's going to be right near here. So as always from Apple, that your privacy is always key, and they won't allow for unwanted tracking alerts, and you can stop this as much as you want and you choose. So let's talk about the availability and where you can purchase. So you can buy now today from Apple and other retailers. Here in the UK, for a single one, it's £29, or for 4 of them, which is £99, which is great. I think saves a little bit. I think if they'd done a 3-pack, they would do so well, but I know a lot of people will pick up these 4-packs. So that's the AirTags there themselves. We're going to set up the other ones. But as I said, I did get also some key rings or key holders here from Belkin. So I've got a blue one and I've also got a black one. So the blue one's going to be for my partner, black one is for me. So let's take a look at this one, because she most probably wants to unbox that one herself and see the latest technology. As I said, Apple do sell their own third-party options, so you can go and buy their own. So you've got a clip here that it'll clip into, and you've got quite a sturdy ring here, key ring, to put onto your keys as well, which is great. Or you could put this on if you wanted to here, but all you're going to do is take the AirTag, put it inside here. So this one has already been opened. Sit that inside there with the Apple logo. So a really strong clip there, really well clipped in. If you had an emoji or like a emoticon or something on the back here, that's where you'll see that. Then you use your ring here, thread that through, thread that on your keys, and then I won't lose my keys. So I did recently have a Tile. I did use Tile. It battery ran out. Apple announced these. And I agree, Apple is now going to win this race between Tile and AirTags because of the ecosystem and how well it works. Just purely on that benefit, because their ecosystem works so well. And I'm going to bring up a video about this because it's so important, because Apple just seems to make it work compared to their competitors. And I don't know why. It's most probably because they have the ecosystem, they have the devices, they have the software, they know what works so well, and they can integrate new products. This is a whole new category of products for Apple, but it just works so easily. Let me know what you think though. Let's hear from you. What do you think down below? What do you think of the Find My application as well? So this has this application here where it'll find your keys for you, it'll find your bag. You can custom your own icons, you can locate it. If you have the iPhone 11 or 12 series, you can precisely find your products as well. It will use that U1 chip to help you find other people's products for them. And there's so many people out here with iDevices and iPhones that they will be able to help locate lost products a lot more easier, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So always great to hear from you. Leave a comment down below. Make sure to stay subscribed or become a subscriber today. By ringing that notification bell, you'll be updated with all of my latest videos. And watch out for my giveaway, which is coming very soon, which will include an Apple AirTag as well. Just to let you know, whoever stayed till the end of this video, I will be giving away an Apple AirTag in my 30k giveaway, which is going to be a huge tech bundle. But from me, Ricky, thank you for watching. Make sure to stay safe and stay well. Bye for now.